Hello, good people. It's your boy PC Dre, aka the Lyrical Ancestor, and I am standing in for Writomatics. Now, there is this video going around on the internet about, a lawyer on a traditional regalia. He went to court with it. And now, when asked why, he simply said that, he is, taking into cognizance the judgment of the Supreme Court over hijab wearing in Lagos State, which permitted Muslims, female Muslim students to wear hijab to school in Lagos State. Now, see, Nigeria is a very confused state. Permit me to say this. I am Nigerian, attire all of us. If our constitution does not recognize Nigeria as a religious country, why all this? Why don't we take religion out of our system? I mean, when it has to do with our education, when it has to do with public health, infrastructures, developmental strides and strategies or whatever, why don't we take religion out of it? Do not forget, our parent religion is neither Christianity or Islam. It is the African traditional religion. I am a Christian. I at least I side with the Christian faith. I'm not a religious person. Okay? But then, I think what this man did is not wrong. I mean, apart from being a Christian, I am one who understands that you have to tolerate other religion. Especially when you are in a country that, has almost the same population of that you share with other religion. Well, if them say make people they wear hijab, they go school, I'm not against that. But you should not be against people wearing clothes like juju priest. Go school. What is good for the goose, they say is good for the gander. Watch this video of this man, and he made an explanation on why he is putting on those regalia. So when next maybe you are a teacher, you see your student dressed like native daughter Peking come school. Well, no complain. No. I tell you, and when it results to a legal battle, there's already an established reference. Maybe my friends in law will talk about it, especially my guy Ogaga. They will explain better. But for what I understand, you cannot give preference to a certain religion as against others. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. God bless you.
Yeah. This is Chief Malcolm E. Omiribo in the Supreme Court of Nigeria. This is how he appeared in the court. And he had a nice appearance without let or hindrance. This is pursuant to the newest Supreme Court judgment that lawyers can now appear on their traditional attire. And today, Chief decided to practicalize it. Congratulations, Chief.
Yeah, thank you.
Congratulations.
Yes, I am Chief Malcolm Emokiniovo Omirobo.
So where are you in Supreme Court this morning?
I'm in Supreme Court this morning, like every other lawyer, to appear as an amicus in Korea and to observe proceedings, which I just did, and I had a nice time in the court before my lords. Yes.
What informed
Nothing informed it. The truth of the matter is this, I'm a traditionalist, and I've been missing all along until the Supreme Court gave the judgment on Friday that people cannot appear in their religious attires of worship in their place of school and public school for that matter. So in this circumstance, I just interpreted everything and said, yes, they have done the right thing by giving us, helping us guaranteeing more our rights under Section 38 of the Constitution that gives us, every Nigerian citizen, the freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. That we are free to from that decision that female students can wear hijab because it is the mood of their worship, and any attempt to stop them from wearing it amounts to a violation of their fundamental right. And applying it, I said, okay, it's good. So I said, okay, I need to also be appearing on my religious attire of worship. So because it's good, it's good for man to be with God all the time. So this is my mood henceforth, and my children will go to school like this. I will encourage my relations, my friends, so that we can, those in the army, those in the police, those in the navy, those in doctors, lawyers, they will dress in their mood of this. I'm very grateful to the Supreme Court. I'm very happy about the decision. This has been going on for some time. In the case of the provost of Kwara State Polytechnic, Kwara State College of the provost of Kwara State College of Education versus Basirat, the court was very clear that the students should wear their hijab, the female students, and they should not be stopped or prevented, because to do so will amount to a violation of their right to freedom of religion, dignity to their person, and also discrimination. Just Friday here, the Supreme Court also gave a decision like that. So you see, the foundation for this is well spelled out. There are other cases. You have Abdul Karim versus Lagos State, where the court held similar decision. So if that can be done to female students to wear hijab, you can apply it to every other religion. Because to stop me from dressing like this will amount to a violation of my right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion, and also it will be a violation of, it will be discriminatory and therefore unconstitutional. And that's why I felt confident of coming to the Supreme Court, and I came. I went there and I sat before my lords, and they were pleased with my appearance until they have to reconstitute. So that's just it. There's no big issue about it. It's all about freedom of worship. How are you?